Okay, look at my little setup. I got my gold wax off to the side. This is part 4, mixing that Tickled pink with the golden Allure. And this is still my little niece's boyfriend. Y'all know he got 2 underarms, so I was going to take advantage of that. And the pink is pinking too much, but it's okay. I can still see, I see a little bit of the gold in there, and hopefully underneath the strip gives us what we want. That's what it's all about. I'm going to just spread these little thicker areas of wax so my strip can dry faster, because you don't want to wait all day, okay? And not to mention, this wax has amazing dry time, so you already know it's dry. Like, that simple. Go ahead and take this off. I was struggling a little bit, I ain't gonna lie, but eventually I got it together and it came up flawlessly. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's giving galaxy vibes. I guess gold and pink kind of makes what? Purple? That's what it looked like. Doing my cleanup strip, trying to just do it a little thinner than I did the first time. And don't forget to grab you some sexy smooth wax. I'm always going to tell y'all that, because as an esthetician, that's for estheticians, I want y'all to get the best deal you can get. And the wax is amazing and the price is amazing. You really can't beat that. And of course, customer service is great. So, Stagger Dagger time, you already know. Y'all be looking out for that Stagger Dagger. It's coming, baby. Oh, that's so pretty. Follow up with aftercare. You're all done. And y'all know I got some bonus videos, so stay tuned. They coming. Thanks for watching. Bye.